Murphy are at his pond, and we're gonna catch bait, and we're gonna go to a creek that's nearby over here. Y'all haven't seen it, but it's pretty nice. Murphy said that he was catching a lot of stuff over there, so we'll try it out, and hopefully we'll see what happens. So yeah, that's that. My God, what did we freaking catch? Hold on. That's a tilapia? Yep. Holy smokes. Oh shit, he's got teeth.
Tell us what you got there, Spencer.
That's a freaking huge tilapia, Murph.
Yeah, we caught it in the cast net too.
Caught him in the cast net. Look at this. That's a freaking huge ass. Oh, look at that dude. He's freaking fishing. He didn't catch anything like this. This is our tilapia that we got. Excuse me? What did she say? Horrible filleting, huh? Well, this is where me and Murphy will be fishing. The tide is super low. Oh yeah, so authentic. Oh yeah, so authentic.
Even though it's breakfast.
So I made a decision that this is as far as we'll go, because I mean this right here is pushing it. I mean, look at that. That's a little nasty. Just pushing it. It looks like cake batter. Oh God, I got mud on my shoes. But this is where we'll be fishing for now. And if we don't get anything here, we'll go visit another part of the creek that we know. Caught some fish there. Yeah, it's not even far. So that's how that'll go. Yeah. But what are we using today?
Hot dog.
Using hot dog with a snell hook on a rig. Did you make these yourself?
What?
These slate? No?
I bought them for like 50 cents on clearance at Walmart.
All right, so this is our setup.
Are weights. Like, weights are weights.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Weights are weights.
So, I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. That's what that is. And we decided to use this pole because it looks kind of good to use as a.
Girthy. Here, let me push it in.
Jeez. So we're gonna be using that, and I'm gonna get another rod set out, and it'll be pretty good, I guess. And yeah, we're about to use our shad. These are just hot dogs, but I'm about to use a shad on mine. So.
You wanna use a shad on yours?
Yeah, you wanna hook me with a shad?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you have?
Oh, yo.
Hey, drag. Get your drag. Fix it.
No, stop.
Okay, fight him. Just fight him. I don't even know what you have.
Probably a big red. Oh, yo.
That might be a red, dude. If that's a red, we could be able to keep it. Dude, I'm gonna go in after him.
Look, that's a catfish.
Oh, that's a catfish?
No, that can't be.
Easy now. That is a catfish.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, this is huge.
Easy.
Yo, dude. Oh, yo.
What is that? Comment below. What the hell? Do you hear that noise he was making? Murphy, look at the hook. Look at how you hooked him. Look at how you hooked him.
I barely even hooked him here. Let me see that.
But dude, that thing, it knocked down the pole. It knocked down everything. Look at that noise he's making. He's grunting. That grunt? Hear that grunt he has? You gonna pick him up?
No, I don't want to freaking. Oh my God, that's how much.
Yeah, get the scale. Oh, jeez. Grunter. Oh. I mean, that's a quality fish right there. I mean, like, you don't want anything else. Isn't that weird ass noise though? You remember how to do it? Yeah, it does smell. It smells like shat. No, it's like this. Let me see. Yeah, like that. I'm wrapped up in line.
How much is it?
Let me see.
6 pounds.
6?
Yeah.
6 pounds. 6 pounder. I'm freaking wrapped up in line to the freaking max. Jeez. I get it?
Here. Okay, here, wait.
Okay.
That's a nice quality fish.
You go for the release, or do you want me to release him?
Release him. Don't want to get spanked because last time I handled him like that.
Oh, that's not good.
Here, just get a stick like this.
Yeah. I should have probably thrown him.
What?
Probably should have thrown him. Go. God. Go, 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 go. Save the fish. Please go. Murphy at the water's edge. There he goes. He doesn't want to leave. There he goes. Come on.
Oh, there we go. We got him off.
There we go. That's a release, boys and girls. Oh, look at him swim off. So majestic. So beautiful.
Let's put it in right here.
Right there? Yeah, so next time because the next time it does that, Jesus.
Here, give me a water bottle.
Oh, there's somebody back here. What does?
Something.
I do have something. Oh, that's a hard. Oh! Good fighter. Not as big as yours.
Tell me how big this is.
Oh my God, what is that?
This is a gar.
Oh,
Yo,
dang, that is a gar.
It's a gar.
Whoa!
Yo, no. Go this way. That's line you over. Yo, what the heck? Yo, no.
Yeah.
Just cut it off.
Cut what
I'm not
off?
done with the gar.
I'm gonna deal with him. You know, he could eat this. I've never felt one
Wait,
before.
stop. I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh, so that's how they feel. Now, I'll deal with him. If you don't want to deal with him.
Oh, look at this. I'm getting bite.
Well, focus on that.
Here, get the bird down there.
I don't even know. I tried going back around and it didn't work.
Oh shit, look at his teeth.
Those are some nasty ass teeth. You want to keep him?
No.
You can keep him?
No. Never get your leg next to it.
Never get your leg next to an alligator. Now we know. Here, Murphy, move this pole with me so that way I can fix this mess. This is my first alligator gar I've ever caught in my life, and I'm very surprised.
Was it dead weight too?
Do it. Get another one.
Oh, yo, this thing's big.
Well, let me finish this.
Yo, no, this thing's big.
Oh my God, what
Oh.
is that?
Yo, it just jumped.
Do not let him go. That might be a redfish. Might be a trout or something. Don't fight him too hard. We don't want the hook to come out. Remember how? Just let him go. Let him go. If he needs to go, let him.
Shoot, no.
Did you just?
No, I can't.
Just let him go. If he needs to go, just let him go. Can I try to fight him?
No. These people right here are gonna...
They need to fucking hurry the hell up. Oh my God. Hurry up. Hurry up. Go. Easy. I know. Just, you gotta let him. You just gotta let him. Whenever he's ready, that's when you gotta go. Hurry, Murph. Don't give him slack. Dude. He's gonna come off. I know, you can't make any mistakes.
Oh shoot, I don't know what that is. Is that a catfish or what?
Might be a redfish. You just gotta just reel them in. Might be an alligator gar. Oh my god. Look at him fighting. Good job, Murph. Still have like full battery. This thing gives good battery. Hold on. Easy there. Don't give him slack, but don't pressure him too much.
Come on, dude.
Dude, he's still so far.
He's right there.
Dude, if it's a redfish, I'm going after him. I'm putting down my phone. If it's a redfish, I'm going in. Oh, that is a catfish. I seen the mouth. I seen his mouth. That's a catfish.
It's bigger than the one that.
This might be your personal best.
My personal best right now is 10 pounds.
That's way big. Oh my god, that's 15. Murphy, come on, dude. You almost have your personal best catfish. You just gotta reel him in.
It's like way past it. Oh my god, yo!
Whoa!
I think that is something.
Here, I'll bring him in, but he's. Nah, I got him. I got it.
No, stop. You remember what happened last time? Yo, that's a chunk.
That's a humongous catfish. Look at the belly on her.
How much do you think that is?
How much?
12 pounds. 13.
Let's get the scale out and let's check. Dude, this thing's hard to hold.
Let me put it on the.
Here, first let's take out the hook.
No, let me put on the swivel.
You can put too much pressure on that swivel. Here.
Up.
Alright. On the hook? You mean? He's just dead weight. It's so hard. Let me see it.
Ooh, this is.
Oh my god.
The upper one's the pounds.
Huh?
The upper one's the pounds.
The upper one's the pounds?
Yeah. Well, how much?
I don't even know, dude. It said it was 10, but I don't think that's a 10-pound catfish.
I got the hook out, I guess.
Yeah, that's good. Win-win.
Get up.
What is that? Oh.
It's barely hooked too. Wait.
No, the other way. Other way. Like this.
Okay.
Let me see. What's it say?
It's right below.
Hold on, no, it wasn't like that earlier. Let me see.
Look at that fat belly though.
It said it was 10 pounds.
Here, let me hold it. Oh shoot.
Well, it says it's 10. I mean, look at that belly.
Move.
That's a freaking beast. How are we gonna get him back in is the question. Okay, it's about the end of the day almost, but we're still giving it a shot. I think we'll probably move in the next 15 minutes. We'll probably move in the next 15 minutes, and if we don't catch anything, then we'll head back to Murphy's Pond because I want to go fishing at Murphy's Pond.
And plus, we're going fishing tomorrow, so this will all be in one video.